Caroline Nowell here at 308 South Collington Avenue. This home has 4 bedrooms with 3 full baths, 1 half bath on the main level, 2,000 square feet. Let's check out the inside. This home has an open floor plan concept, great for entertaining. Solid hardwood floors throughout the 2,000 square feet of this home, and they complement these kitchen cabinets great. Each bedroom is very spacious with a view of the west side of the house of the Baltimore city skyline. This is my favorite part of 308 South Collington. You can see the entire city from up here. It's one of the highest views in Upper Fells Point, right at the top of this hill.